Alright, this is for my in-law. Just for proof of concept on how easy this is, I'm about to upload a almost 10-minute video on how to disassemble and reassemble the Brown & Baby 1911. It's a little tiny 1911 in 380. I guess this is California compliant because it only functions, you can only pull the trigger when you have a magazine in it. Or I guess that's California compliant, I don't know. Almost 30 seconds in, I got 3 minutes on this short to do this. We are clear and empty, so everything is safe. I am going to disassemble, reassemble, do functions check. And I got about 2 minutes to do this. Release the slide. Line up with the little U-notch right here. Push from the side. Lock the safety. Push in your guide rod spring so that you can release that while rotating the barrel bushing. Take out your spring. Rotate barrel bushing so you can take that out. Release the safety and take your slide off. Remove your guide rod itself. The barrel, unlike a lot of your striker fired pistols, you push straight forward. To reassemble, you have to bring the barrel through the slide, line up this little indent with this little nipple. You're gonna move forward, lock that in place, put your barrel bushing in, rotate it, guide rod spring, your guide rod plunger. You're going to rotate the barrel bushing until it captures that. Use your magazine, push in, finish rotating as such. Slide on frame. Line up the holes. Line up the U-notch. All done. Hold in the trigger. Release slide. Release the trigger. If it all clicks, it's working properly. That's a proper functions check. Drop the magazine. Put in storage. That's it.